So guys, we are inside our sample project. Let's import our file as overlay. Suppose this one. Now look for effect. Scroll down to the end and select get more. Then go to color and select contours. Tap on this button to download the effect. Go back. Look for contours. Apply it. Reduce the line number to 1 and max the softness. Then scroll down and change the glow tone to change the color of the border. Lastly, change the distance to control the width of the stroke or outline. And we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.